Okay, so I had a problem the other day where a head stud pulled out of my Evo and it had already been helicoiled. So I went looking for a helicoil to see if I could do an oversized one or do something, and there wasn't really a good option. So I decided to make my own. So here's how to make your own oversized helicoil of whatever size you need to fit whatever size. That way, anything you need to do, totally doable. So in this case, the hole was a little bit smaller than a 9/16. So I needed to make this head stud fit into a 9/16 hole. So we got to bolt those 9/16, drilled it and tapped it to fit that bolt, which we'll show you in a second, and then drilled the bolt to fit the head stud. After drilling the bolt out, went and took a tap to it. Next, cut the hex head off and grind it down to make it nice and smooth. Next, we're going to test thread the head stud into the homemade helicoil. Next, I'm going to drill the hole out where the old helicoil was. Then we'll go ahead and thread that. One final hit on the grinder to make sure everything's nice and smooth and will fit in really nicely. Then we're going to take the old head stud with the new helicoil on it and start it into the hole that we just tapped.
Maybe.
Then using a double nut setup on the top of the head stud, I'm going to go ahead and drive it into the hole. and boom, we're done. Thing's stronger than it ever was from the factory. It's got a nice big mounting surface on it, and that one's not pulling out. Now I just got 3 others to see what happens with. Rock and roll.